Looking at these pancakes, what do you think? Could someone eat them every day and still lose weight or stay fit? Pancakes, especially with chocolate sauce, often get labeled as bad or something to avoid if you want to stay in shape. But it's not about the pancakes, it's about what goes into them. With the right ingredients, they can be part of your routine, keep you full, and even help you reach your goals. These pancakes are a great example. They're made with 2 bananas for natural sweetness, 2 eggs for protein, a pinch of salt, some baking powder for fluffiness, and a bit of whole wheat flour for fiber and structure. And that's it. I also use an oil spray to avoid extra fats, keeping the pancakes light and fluffy without unnecessary grease. For the chocolate sauce, I use yogurt, cocoa powder. It's creamy and rich without any added sugar, though you can add a touch of sweetness like stevia or even half a teaspoon of honey if you prefer. We made 2 servings of pancakes, and each serving is just 300 calories. But the taste and satisfaction they bring are worth so much more. Friends, foods aren't inherently good or bad. It's all about how you prepare them. These pancakes prove that with thoughtful ingredients, you can enjoy what you love while staying on track with your goals. The full recipe and step-by-step instructions are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Your feedback means so much to me and helps me create even more recipes like this. I hope this inspires you to see your favorite dishes in a new light. Because being healthy doesn't mean giving up what makes you happy. With care, your nutritionist, Karina.